In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create your own song inside of Riffusion. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Riffusion like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to the search bar where you can click create the music you imagine. Then from here, you have two options. You can either add prompts like you would on Suno AI or Udio, or you can click compose over here where you can add lyrics to your song and you can add sounds. You can add details like the title or upload an image or a prompt image if you want to do that. But let's go over it. So let's create a compose. Then from here you need to add in the lyrics, where you can either choose instrumental or lyrics, where you can also choose a ghostwriter where you can tell Riffusion what you want your song to be about. Let's for now just click instrumental. Then from here let's go down to sounds. And if you click here, you can either add a vibe, where you can create a new vibe if you want to do that, or you can randomize the prompts if you want to do that. But you can also choose any of these that Riffusion is giving you automatically. But let's just choose happy acoustic guitar strums. Let's make it an urban beat and hopeful. Then from here you can add in the details where you can click in the title, you can upload an image, a prompt image, and click generate. And when you're generated, you can see Riffusion is going to generate these two beats for you, like Suno AI will also do. And let's listen quickly to them when they are done with generating. Like so. And you need to be aware that these two beats right here is not for commercial use as of right now when Riffusion is in beta. That can change in the future, so be sure that you read the TOS. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!